Rokid Max Unboxing and Feature Introduction. When you get your Rokid Max and open the package, you will see your AR glasses and accessory set. The accessory set includes carrying case, a black count cover, a USB-C cable, a pair of nose pads, a manual, and a cleaning cloth. There is one speaker on each temple of the glasses. The buttons on the right temple are for brightness and volume adjustment. There are also two diopter knobs on the top of the glasses. Please peel the protective film off the lens before use. Ensure that the cable is inserted properly and connect the glasses to the device. Put on the glasses. If the picture is blurry, adjust the diopter knobs until it looks clear. For an immersive experience, put on the black count cover. Note that the black count cover will completely shield you from your real surroundings, so please use it in a safe environment. Rokid Max can be used in screen mirroring or AR mode. In screen mirroring mode, your device's screen will be mirrored in the glasses so that you can watch movies on a massive screen. In AR mode, you can enter exclusive 3D spaces for immersive AR experiences. Before using AR mode, please confirm whether your device model supports it. After confirming the model, search on Google Play or scan the QR code. Download and install the app. Connect your phone to the glasses and open the app. Accept the terms and conditions. Register your account and log in. Allow Rokid Max to access the USB device. If you can see the new user guide, you've successfully entered the Rokid Max AR mode.